Would you like a shoulder bag powerhouse? Have a look at the HP ZBook Fury G9. OEMs can produce powerful mobile workstations that make 90% of desktop users drool with desire. Once you plunk the Fury G9 down on your desk, you will see the extensive connectivity, the 3-button touchpad, and the full-size keyboard. This combination of features solves problems that mobile users often have. You can leave your various dongles and wireless mouse at home. It's close to a mobile workstation tested last year, so this provides a good opportunity to look more closely at HP's design optimizations. Let's start with ViewPerf 2020. The ZBook Fury performs 5% to 10% faster than our reference system on most of the tests. Octane Bench is a pure CUDA test and focuses on GPU computing performance. Octane Bench also shows the Fury's performance advantage over the reference system. The tests in Premiere Pro focus on video processing. The music video mixes multiple video streams and effects. The 4K video with color correction shows the Fury's performance on the most fundamental video processing. Like Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve's purpose is video processing. 3 of 4 tests focus on DaVinci's AI features in its neural engine. These tests measure the ZBook Fury's ability to process AI and generate special effects. The key to performance is 12GB RTX A3000. Monitoring data shows the ZBook Fury running the RTX A3000 at higher power and faster clock speeds than the reference system. Up to this point, none of the tests exceeded the reference system's 6GB of graphics memory. One test from Premiere Pro does. The result is a performance difference which is not a result of higher clock speeds. Clearly, more graphics memory makes a difference on this test. HP's optimized design allows for higher GPU power and higher clocks. ZBook Fury performs at the high end of the expected range. In these tests, spending more on the GPU provides better price performance than spending more on the CPU. If this fits your workloads too, then shift your budget from the CPU to the GPU and increase performance at a similar price. In summary, HP merged 2 desktop replacement workstation configurations into a single system. That is a great move. HP cranks up the GPU clocks and squeezes more performance out of this mobile powerhouse. That provides extra value for customers. It delivers exceptional connectivity and high-performance technology in a compact package. To be brief, the ZBook Fury G9 is everything a desktop replacement mobile workstation should be.